Now let us discuss the 131 question. Match the following. In this type of match the following questions, we use the method elimination. Elimination is the best method to answer the matching type of questions. You need to know the all the oxides nature. You just pick up the one of oxide and firstly solving the given question. Here are the some points to remember. The first point is metal oxides. Metal oxides which are in basic nature. We have to remember that metals oxides which are in its nature is basic nature. Second point, non-metal oxides are in acidic nature. Okay, metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, now let us verify the question. Here, randomly I choose the barium oxide. Here, barium oxide. We know that barium oxide belongs to group 2 element. So, it is a metal. Here, just now you discussed that metal oxides which are in basic nature. Here, base 2 group 2 element. That's why this metal oxide which are in basic in nature. Okay, B is matches with 1. B is 1. Here B is 2. You can eliminate the option 1. Here B is 4. Option 3 also eliminated. Here B is 3. You can also eliminate option 4. Only remaining option you have is option 2 is the correct answer. Now let us check the remaining options also. Okay, we know that a carbon monoxide which is in neutral in nature. That means A is 2. Right, okay, satisfies. We know that in, from the intermediate posterior question that why Al2O3 is an amphoteric in nature. That's why Al2 is its nature is amphoteric. Why? Because it reacts with acids and bases. That's why Al2 aluminum oxide is called as an amphoteric in nature. That's why Al2 is matches with Al2O3 is matches with 4. That is amphoteric. Here C is equal to 4. In this option C is also satisfied. Now let us come to the option D. Here Cl2O3. Cl is a non-metal. We know that non-metals are acidic in nature. That's why Cl2O3 matches with acidic. Here D also satisfies the given condition. So option 2 is the correct answer. By using of elimination method, you can easily answer the matching questions.